Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Are the twin brothers who are protected by their brothers doing well? Just as the eye is always protected by the eyelid, they are protected by the sons of Pritha, who snatched back their rightful kingdom from the hands of their enemy Duryodhan, just as Garud snatched nectar from the mouth of Indra, the thunderbolt carrier. Indra, the king of heaven, carries a thunderbolt in his hand and is very strong, yet Garud, the carrier of Lord Vishnu, was able to snatch nectar from his mouth. Similarly, Duryodhan was as strong as the king of heaven, and still the sons of Pritha, the Pandavas, were able to snatch away their kingdom from Duryodhan. Both Garu and the Parthas are pet devotees of the Lord, and thus it was possible for them to face such strong enemies. Vidur's inquiry was about the youngest brothers of the Pandavas, namely Nakul and Sahadev. These twin brothers were sons of Madri, the stepmother of the other Pandavas. But although they were stepbrothers, because Kunti took charge of them after the departure of Madri with her husband Maharaj Pandu, Nakul and Sahadev were as good as the other three Pandavas, Yudhishthir, Bhim, and Arjun. The 5 brothers are known in the world as regular brothers. The 3 elder Pandavas took care of the younger brothers, just as the eyelid takes care of the eye. Vidur was anxious to know whether, after winning back their own kingdom from the hands of Duryodhan, the younger brothers were still living happily under the care of the elder brothers.